Welcome to another Healthy Indoors Minute. This is an easy way to improve your indoor air quality as far as particles go. That's dust, anything that you would breathe in. And remember, particles are always bad to breathe. On a construction site, you got a hell of a lot of particles. We have insulation being cut here. We are going to have drywall dust here soon. We've just got dust from people coming and going. And of course, every time you walk through dust, it kicks it up into the air and you can breathe it. So we have alternatives. You can either wear a mask all day long, which in today's world, you might get really sick of really fast because we're wearing them kind of all the time. Or you can supplement by actually having your air be filtered on your construction site with a box fan. This is a really cheap little fan, and all you have to do is hook a filter to the back of it. And you want to install it the same way that it would be installed on a furnace filter. So it'll be wire mesh side, not catching all of the gunk. So this is the return side of the fan. The air blows out on the other side. As air gets sucked in here, it's getting caught in this. This has been installed for 3 days, and you can see that it's already getting a little brown. Pretty gross. So when this turns on, and we're just going to keep this running all the time, even when the house is not occupied overnight, it's just constantly filtering the air and catching the big particles. This is a MERV 11 filter, so it's catching more and more particles, but remember that the more high on the MERV scale you go, a MERV 13 would be even more restrictive than a MERV 11, and that means that you're going to get less airflow. So you'll probably catch about the same amount of particles overall. You'll just have a lot less air moving through a MERV 13. If you go down, I would say don't go below a MERV 8 if you're going to try and catch dust particles. That would be important. So this is just a 20 by 20 by 1 inch thick filter. You can do this yourself at home. Make sure that you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure that you also check out Healthy Indoors magazine. Tune in next time.